behind me, I have this 2012 Ford Focus 4-cylinder. And I'm going to show you how to change spark plugs. It's going to be really easy, really quick to do on your own. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take an 8mm and loosen all the cool packs. Now also I want to mention something I failed to mention earlier, is that this car, when I got it, it did not have an engine cover on it. So you'll probably have to remove an engine cover. Alright. Now I'm just going to pull all these, but taking note. You may want to take a shop vac or something before you pull these and remove any debris that you may have that may fall in. This one's already been cleaned. It's going to take the standard 5/8 inch socket wrench, spark plug socket, and start removing the spark plugs. First one is out. Now it's best to inspect your spark plug and make sure that it's not bent, the electrode here. If it is, you'll need to get a new one because some of them are not gappable. This one's got a fine tip and I'd probably damage it trying to gap it. And they should be pre-gapped. The spark plug socket obviously holds it in so you don't drop it and mess the gap up. So carefully slide it down in there. Thread it in. Snug it down. Right there, snug. I'm just going to give it about an 1/8, no more than a 1/4 turn. And if it'll let go of my socket, I'll go to the next. Let's go ahead. Drop that over that. So, and honestly, from here, it's just a quick, easy rinse and repeat. Just be careful when loosening these. I'm trying to go very easy. I'm not trying to put a lot of force at once, because I am threaded into aluminum, and I want to be careful not to mess the threads up. Now that the last one is done, we can tighten down all the cool packs. Don't over tighten them because they don't really have to be tight. That's just there to keep the spark or the coal pack from coming off the plug. Now, of course, if you have an engine cover, now's the time to put it on. But again, I do not. Alright, there you go. Plugs are changed. Pretty quick, easy to do yourself without having to pay a shop a lot of money. I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.